Dive into the world of ultimate home comfort with the best water heater for your sanctuary. Join us on a journey to discover the top-notch, energy-efficient solutions that will revolutionize your daily routine. Say goodbye to chilly mornings and embrace the warmth. Check out the links in the description box for a direct path to cozy bliss. Now, let's make your home the epitome of comfort together. EcoSmart ECO 27 Water Heater. The EcoSmart Eco 27 tankless electric water heater is a cutting-edge and energy-efficient solution designed for homes in warm climates and smaller whole-home applications with colder inlet water temperatures. Offering an endless supply of hot water on demand, it maintains precise water temperature control within 1 degree of the selected setting. Significantly smaller than traditional tank heaters, it saves valuable space with an impressive thermal energy efficiency rating of 99%. Save up to 50% on water heating costs with this water heater. Endorsed by the Department of Energy. Enjoy peace of mind with a limited lifetime warranty on electronics, exchangers, and elements. It meets strict safety standards. Certified by UL 499 and ETL. Bosch Thermotechnology Water Heater. The Bosch Thermotechnology Water Heater is a compact solution with 98% thermal efficiency, delivering hot water in small spaces. Its 4-gallon capacity allows flexible installation options, fitting under a sink or wall hung, saving floor space. With a fast recovery rate, it eliminates long waits for hot water, making it ideal for homes or businesses. Installation is easy, with its 36 to 37 cord, plugging into a standard 120-volt outlet, offering independent or inline connection. Despite its size, this mini-tank water heater supplies hot water to 2 sinks simultaneously. Backed by a 6-year warranty, it ensures reliable performance and customer satisfaction. Stiebel Eltron 239,222 Water Heater. The Stiebel Eltron 239,222 water heater is an acclaimed electric tankless water heater delivering endless hot water with advanced flow control technology. It automatically adjusts water flow for a constant temperature, ensuring uninterrupted hot showers. This eco-friendly unit operates on demand, providing energy savings of 15 to 20%. It boasts an electronic switch, digital temperature display, and preset temperature settings for effortless operation. With a solid copper heating system rated at 24 Co and 240 V, it offers reliability and efficiency. Backed by a 7-year leakage warranty and a 3-year parts warranty, this water heater is a reliable and efficient choice for endless hot water, while promoting environmental sustainability. Rinnai V65 in Water Heater. The Rinnai V65 in Water Heater is a compact and high-performance tankless gas water heater designed for homes with limited space, providing uninterrupted hot water with a remarkable flow rate of up to 6.5 gallons per minute. It caters to up to 5 fixtures simultaneously. Its non-condensing design enhances energy efficiency, heating water only when needed, resulting in substantial savings on both power and water bills. The unit features an advanced scale detection system for longevity and protection. With a standout 15-year warranty for the heat exchanger and 5 and 1-year warranties for labor and parts respectively, it ensures both reliability and peace of mind. Gasland B158B Water Heater. The Gasland B158B tankless water heater is a versatile and reliable appliance designed to meet various hot water needs. With 41,000 BTU/H, it delivers a continuous flow of hot water at 1.58 gallons per minute, making it ideal for camping, RVing, hunting, pet bathing, and vehicle cleaning. The electronic ignition system, powered by 2 D-cell batteries, ensures easy starting with low water pressure. Prioritizing safety, this water heater is CSA certified with various safety features, guarding against overheating, low water flow, dry combustion, freezing, high water pressure, and flame failure. The LED digital display allows precise temperature control. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects and lifetime customer support included in the package. Thanks for joining our warm water journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home comfort tips.